Here's how to make any guy's t-shirt slim fit. We got 2 minutes and I hate long intros. Let's go. This shirt looks like a house because of this stupidly straight side seam. Take a measuring tape and measure your shirt. Mine's 19.5 inches from bottom to under my arm. Put sewing pins at these measurements. They're in inches and centimeters. Too fast? Well, they're in the description, don't worry. Oh man, this is where the magic happens. Measure and move your pins to these measurements. These might be too tight or too loose, so play around with them a little bit. Don't hesitate to see what you like and what you don't like. Pin the opposite back side of your shirt with those measurements and make it look just like mine. It makes it way easier to sew, trust me. Try your shirt on with the pins and don't worry, they won't poke you, hard at least. And how does it feel? Is it too tight? Too loose? Shift those pins in or out to get the fit that you want because your body, your choice, bro. Start with a back stitch and then use a straight stitch with these settings and follow along that line that your pins make, taking them out as you go along. And any $40 used sewing machine can do this. I'll go ahead and put the settings down yonder in the description for you too. This is our new side seam and it looks way more flattering than that straight line dumpster fire that it came with. Cut the extra fabric off, leaving 5/8 of an inch or roughly 172 centimeters between your new stitch that you put on and the edge of your garment. And all this nonsense is gonna fray over time, so let's iron it down and finish it with a zigzag stitch. Line up your edge right under the slit on your presser foot. These are the settings that I'm using. Yes, they're in the description, and take your time with the zigzag stitch. There's no need to rush it. This is our finished side seam with the zigzag stitch on the edge, and this $6 t-shirt looks better than like most $50 ones. Let's go taper some jeans in 2 minutes. It's in the end card. I'll see you on the other side. SD out. See ya.